You getting the crampons ready?
How's that feel?
Okay, which ones am I wearing?
Good so far, but my left foot's my big foot. So.
Okay.
Which ones are your crampons?
Stick around for that then.
My purple ones and yours is the red one.
Okay, can I see your purple ones?
Feel okay?
Yeah.
Okay, great. Yeah.
What are those for again?
Getting the bird loaded up. We're getting May pop in and say hi here in a little bit and bring you over, alright?
Okay, perfect, thank you.
Where are you going to use those to walk?
English.
Yeah, high five.
Gonna hold these guys now?
I'll hold those guys for you. Thank you very much.
I got one.
Got them.
Ooh, having a picnic on the glacier?
Yes.
That's pretty cool. Are you gonna watch Papa ice climb? Is he getting ready? He's got a harness and a helmet on.
Mitch, did you say
And look at all this stuff, eh? And he's gonna go down that hole.
Yeah,
You excited to watch Papa go down?
Well, I hit later. I hit the bottom quite late. This is what we're looking at inside the Mulan. I'm gonna climb up there. Climbing! Climbing! Yeah!
Heck yeah. Did real good. Perfect. Go stand by those blue ropes.
Are you having fun out here on the glacier? Is Mama going for a climb? Did you just wake up? And what are you doing now?
Cheerios.
Cheerios.
Very important Cheerio break.
Very important Cheerio break.
Is this a good tour?
Another one.
Can you give me a wave or a thumbs up?
Nice. Yeah,
How about a high five? Some more Cheerios?
Ready? Ready. All right, we're gonna keep going lower. All right. Here we go. It's more than 10 feet. Feel good there? Gotcha.
There we go.
Nicely done. Nicely done. And she's up. Perfect. Go ahead and take. She did it! Go ahead and take 4 steps towards that blue cord for me. Yeah!
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 I did it, baby! And she's having some snacks on a glacier in her chair with the helicopter back there. And then Papa is climbing down that hole. Alright. Up we go. And having a little picnic on the Knik Glacier. You're having your noodles.
Oh, she's got noodles now? Jeez.
Look at this place.
Chili and noodles?
Oh yeah.
Those are the two basic food groups.
Oh yeah.
You ready?
Oh yeah.
Oh. I'm swimming in a glacier.
You're floating in the glacier anyway. All finished up at the Knik Glacier for today. Unfortunately, my drone didn't work. This would be not a bad place to have it, but we had a lot of fun. Denali even had a good time too.
Hey, over here. I just jumped in a glacier.
Go. Denali wanted to go to the restaurant after our helicopter glacier tour today.
And we're at the Matanuska Brew House.
Yeah. Does that look good, Danny?
It is Mama's.
Are you excited, Denali?
Yeah.
You're at a restaurant. Are you happy?
Have a bite? What are you seeing, Danny?
A moose.
Yeah. Is it a mama moose?
Yeah.
And what did you see in the back?
A baby moose.
Yeah. Is he there at the back by the fence? Whoa. Good eye, Danny.